Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make whipped cream at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the best results, make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachments are thoroughly chilled. This small step makes a big difference in achieving that perfect, fluffy consistency we all love. It helps the cream whip up much faster and hold its shape beautifully. Now let's get to the fun part. Whipping. Start by pouring your chilled heavy cream into the cold bowl. Begin whipping on a low speed for about 30 seconds to a minute. This gentle start helps to incorporate air without splattering. Once the cream begins to thicken slightly, increase your mixer speed to medium-high. Keep a close eye on it, as the transformation happens quickly. You're aiming for soft peaks, which usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes. Once you see those beautiful soft peaks, it's time to add the sweetness and flavor. Gradually sprinkle in your 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue whipping on a medium speed. Watch carefully as the cream transforms from soft to stiff peaks. This means it will hold its shape firmly when you lift the whisk. Be careful not to overwhip, or you'll end up with butter instead of fluffy cream. Your homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. It's best served immediately, as its light and airy texture is at its peak. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for about 2 to 3 days, though it might lose a little bit of its initial fluffiness. It's perfect for topping desserts, coffee, or fresh fruit. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.